Welcome to the greenhouse here at Crownpoint NTU. My name is Latasha. I'm currently going to school here for the biology program with Dr. Irene. I've had about 5 successful harvests going on with lettuce. We've been able to provide the local community with freshly green leaf lettuce. Over time, we've moved on to growing kale here and squash. We're also looking into growing broccoli, peas, different herbs, cilantro. The main focus on the hydroponics is growing with nothing but water. No soil whatsoever, so we grow with nothing but water. When we do this, we start with fresh tap water, and with tap water, we check the EC and pH levels. Fresh water would be very low, so we like to treat the water with part A and part B solution. They're just basic nutrients that plants need to help grow, like salt and calcium. The pH we check, and we also make here in our lab, it's pH down, so we just put acid and distilled water in there. Once we do that, we'll check the fresh water and we'll treat the water. So we'll put our seeds in here and we'll start it in the lab for about a week. Once it grows into little seedlings, we'll let it grow for another week in the lab. And then once they're grown, we'll place them here in our little system, and it takes about 6 weeks for it to grow. So we just continue to watch the water and treat the water as we refill. I am currently in the biology program, so if you're looking to start a career in the greenhouse field, you're more than welcome to try. It's an amazing experience. I really do enjoy it. Thank you so much.